Mont-Saint-Michel, that amazing rock that juts out of sand on the northern coast of France, celebrates 1,000 years as a center of religious faith. During this millennium, it has also been a geological wonder, a fortress, a one-street village, and an architectural jewel. Its church, placed by necessity at the very top of its abbey, inspired Henry Adams to write one of the classics of American literature about it, not only as an aesthetic masterpiece, but as the ultimate symbol of medieval worship. Today, Benedictine monks cross the wet sands in bare feet, just as their predecessors did in 966, when King Richard I founded a monastery for that order here. 7 centuries later, another order succeeded the Benedictines, and in subsequent ages, it has served as a fortress and a prison for political offenders. It has been the greatest tourist attraction in all of France. Now the abbey named, and after that, perhaps forever.